Hello, everyone. Welcome to Rob John's Beer. I'm back again. Today we're doing a 16-ounce tilt glass. Put this in the frost freezer for 20 minutes. And today we're doing also a 16-ounce can. Also put that in the frost freezer also for 20 minutes. Brand new flavor here. I've never tried before here. Dust Bowl Brewing from Turlock, California. Mouthful of Miracles Double Brut IPA. 8.5 ABV alcohol by volume. 50 IBUs, International Beer Units. Dig this, man. Canned on date 10/22/18. That's pretty damn fresh. Only 4 days old. Isn't that cool or what? All right. Hops are Galaxy, Columbus, and Simcoe. Let's open up this can and see what we have, all right? Let's pour it into the glass. No more 45-degree angle. Just pour it in there. There you go. Looks pretty good. Stop while we're ahead there. Pour the rest of it later. Right? Smells really good. Show the bubbles here. Look at those beautiful streaming bubbles there. This should be really carbonated, this one here. Anyway. And it's filtered, so it means you can see through it here. See the streaming bubbles here. Yeah, those beautiful streaming bubbles there. That color or what? It's very, very carbonated here. Let's give the first toast of the day here. The first taste of the day here. Cheers and enjoy. Double thumbs up. Excellent. Okay, let's go for the notes here. I smell some grapefruit. Also some guava, and I do believe I smell some passion fruit there. Let's see if we taste all three, shall we? For the aromas. Yes, definitely taste the grapefruit and the guava, and definitely taste the passion fruit. Pretty cool, huh? Like I said, this is a brand new, spanking brand new beer from Dust Bowl Brewing. All right. Let me read you something here about the the introduction of the beer here. Mouthful of Miracles. The Double Brut IPA has a much drier finish than our classic IPAs, as well as a higher carbonation level. You can still expect a big hop punch of grapefruit, guava, and passion fruit from the Galaxy, Columbus, and Simcoe hops. That cool or what? Here's the page here. That's so cool. Brand new beer, and I'm the first one that got it there. Isn't that cool? Before it even hits the stores. I like that. Anyway, I'm going to be do it. Let's pour the rest of the beer here into the glass here. Well, the glass is still nice and cold, and the can too. A little bit more. A little bit more. Come on. Last drop. Come on. Do it. Perfect pour. About a half a finger ahead remaining here. And I can't believe how much the streaming bubbles in this glass is here. All throughout the whole entire glass. It's the most carbonation I've ever seen in any beer in my life. That's an excellent, outstanding beer here. Anyway, let's make the first toast of the day here, shall we? Toast to Don Oliver. He's a brewmaster of Dust Bowl Brewing out in Toronto, California. Don, you make wonderful new IPAs. Nice Brut IPA here. Cheers, Don. I hope to meet you soon, and also Michelle. Cheers to both of you, and enjoy. Double thumbs up to Don, and double thumbs up to Michelle. All right. Anyway, Michelle's I believe she's in charge of the communications there, sales and communications. Anyway, let's the time is by the way, the time is 10/26, 2018. No, sorry. Yeah, the time is 4:45 p.m. 10/26/18. Friday, late afternoon or early evening, whichever you prefer. All right. Anything else going on here? Yeah. Let's do a final rating here. By the way, I don't go through Untapped, Beer Advocate, or Rate Beer anymore. I do my own ratings here. So you get more of an honest opinion here, honest final decision here. Let's see what I make my final decision, see what I decide here. Since it has the ABV, I'll go by volume. It has the IBUs, International Beer Units, and it has a canned on date. My honest opinion, I give this an A. That's my final decision, and I'm going to stick to it. All right. Anything else going on here? Yes. A couple days ago, I got my 100 subscriptions. That was my new goal, and my new overall goal is 13,000 views. I hit that a couple days ago. Now my super overall goal is 15,000 views. Maybe I'll get that maybe the end of the year or maybe the beginning of next year. Anyway, so I'll let you guys know there. Once you subscribe, click on it. It's free. You just get to watch my videos here on your email. You got 213 videos of me to watch, all right? Cheers, YouTube. Thank you so much. Without you, I could not do any of my videos here at all. My beer review videos. Cheers, YouTube, and enjoy. YouTube, I'll give you a double thumbs up. Anything else going on here? I guess I'll just be heading out here out porch here. Finish this wonderful Brut IPA from Dust Bowl Brewing. I guess about time to head out here. Don't really want to, but I had no choice. My magic words are in all my videos, specials, screw-ups, top 10 videos, beer mail samples, tongue-tied talking, and tons of mistakes. Time for frosted colon. Double hands, out. Don't forget to sip it and sometimes chug it. My decision today, I'm going to sip it. That's all. I guess that's about it. I guess here. I only got one more thing left in me here. Now, I say frosted glass or chilled glass. It's your choice. I prefer frosted glass because I believe that the beer stays cold longer in a frosted glass over a chilled glass. So it's your choice there. It's just my opinion there. That's what I go by. All right. Have a wonderful evening. Last cheers of the day. Salute and enjoy. Bye bye. Till next time. See you on the flip side. And I'm getting ready to do beer review number 214. Don't have it planned yet here, but I'm getting it here. I'll be getting it at the store very soon. And maybe 215. All right. My choice. Whatever I decide to do, it could be a re-review or it could be a regular beer video. My choice. Anyway, flap my gums long enough. See you guys later. Have a wonderful evening. Enjoy. Bye for now.